Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Instagram with Make.com so you can automate your social media workflow and get more done with less effort. Let's begin. But before we dive into the workflow, I wanted to make sure that you have both accounts ready. If you don't have an account here in Make.com, you might want to click the Get Started for Free option on the top right corner, and I want you to log in using all the information. You can continue signing up with your Google account, or you can use your Apple, your Facebook, or your GitHub, and just follow the on-screen instructions because you will be forwarded to the welcome page. And as you may notice, you can choose the popular apps that you wanted to integrate when creating an account. And obviously, we're going to connect the Instagram for business. We're going to click the continue button. It would forward you to the dashboard itself. Now, it would ask you, what do you want to automate with Make? If you're not sure yet, just click the get started button for now because this will forward us to the Make Builder editor. All right, it takes a little while to load because it integrates with your preferences and you chose the Instagram business. Okay, now here, this is where the magic happens. There are scenarios and workflows that we can build to automate between tasks to these apps. We're gonna skip that tool right now, and as you may notice, you can create a scenario from scratch or from a template. If you click the create a scenario right here, click the plus button, it will load. Again, you can build from scratch or you can start with a template. If we opted for the build from scratch, you need to learn the basics. Click the plus button here. Okay. And then we're going to choose, obviously, the Instagram for now. And then after that, we're going to click this right here. Now, it's very important for us to create a webhook. If you do that right here, it would ask for a connection name. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to put this as this one and create a connection. It would ask for your Instagram login later on, as you can see it from here, because as you may notice that Instagram and Facebook is connected via the Meta platform right here. Now, you can choose from any of the following. All right. So you can select all so that you can seamlessly connect your workflow right here. Click the next button and you can choose from any of the following. All right. Click the next button and it's up to you. What do you want the Make.com allowed for your Instagram page? If you are not sure, just click the skip button for now. But if you are sure, just click the done. And basically, that's how you can link your Instagram account to Make.com. It's very easy. It's super simple. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.